This ain't about me, it's all in my head. I am thinking, it's all in my head.
Hey guys, it's Rye. I asked you on Instagram what you guys wanted to see next, and I got a couple requests to do freckles, so that's what I'm going to do today. I know, weird, right? I wasn't really expecting to see a request to see fake freckles, but obviously I don't have real freckles. I wish I did. So I've been recreating it on Instagram, and you guys seem to really like it. So I'm gonna share my tips and tricks. This is just personally what works best for me. I've watched a couple YouTube videos in the past, and they really haven't worked out for me, and so I just decided to go with it. And I figured out what works best for me and what makes them look a lot more natural. Without further ado, let's get started.
This ain't about you, it's all in your head. You hear them talking, think they want you dead. It's all in your head, it's all in your head. It's all in your head, it's all in your head. It's all in your head, it's all in your head. It's all in your head, it's all in your head. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. It's all in my head, it's all in my head.
So yeah, that's about it. It's pretty easy, it's pretty self-explanatory, but that's what I do, and that's what you guys wanted to know. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You hear them talking, think they want you dead. It's all in your